Join me as I take on the challenge of transforming my gut health. I'll be testing out different foods to see what really keeps my microbiome strong. Did you know that our gut houses trillions of microbes? These tiny organisms are crucial for our overall health. Now let's dive into why the microbiome is so important. When we talk about gut health, we're really talking about the microbiome, that bustling community of microorganisms living in our gut. This ecosystem plays a massive role in maintaining a healthy gut, and when it's out of balance, we can really feel the impact. Imagine feeling bloated, uncomfortable, or just plain sluggish after a meal. Maybe you've experienced gut-related symptoms like diarrhea, constipation, or irritable bowel syndrome. Or you've noticed more serious issues like autoimmune diseases, Crohn's disease, or mental health disorders such as anxiety and depression. Our gut health is more connected to our overall well-being than we often realize. The modern lifestyle, with its processed foods, lack of exercise, and high stress, has led to a rise in gut-related diseases. Many of us don't even realize we have a gut health issue until it's too late. But here's the good news. You can nourish your microbiome and get your gut health back on track with some simple changes. It all starts with what you feed your body. Incorporating the right foods and habits into your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your gut health. Prebiotics, for example, are like fertilizer for your gut, helping the good bacteria grow. Probiotics are the good bacteria themselves, found in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut. And let's not forget fiber, the unsung hero of gut health. Fiber feeds your good bacteria, helping them multiply and thrive. So what are the top 5 best foods for your gut health? Here they are. Number 1, asparagus. This veggie is a prebiotic powerhouse packed with inulin that helps feed your good bacteria. Number 2, kimchi. This spicy Korean condiment is teeming with probiotics and can help reduce inflammation in the gut. Number 3, kefir. This fermented milk drink is a probiotic cocktail, offering an incredible 30 strains of good bacteria. Number 4, sweet potatoes. These tasty tubers are rich in fiber, which helps feed your good bacteria and keep them happy. And finally, number 5, blueberries. These little purple fruits are packed with antioxidants and fiber, making them the perfect snack for your gut. So, what's the takeaway from today's video? Maintaining a healthy gut is all about balance. By incorporating these 5 foods into your diet and making a few simple lifestyle changes, you can start to see significant improvements in your gut health. Remember, a healthy gut is the foundation of overall wellness, so take care of it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment below with your favorite gut-friendly foods. If you want more health tips and tricks, be sure to check out my video on the left, the 12 alkaline foods you need to know about, and to the right swap junk food for these healthy options. Stay tuned, my friend.